Awesome. So, this week we're in Europe. We've got a pretty stacked lineup and schedule. Back in Interlaken in the middle of winter, and we're about to cruise around on a little hot tub boat into the middle of the lake. It's got an electric motor. Water is heated to 38 degrees Celsius. With a backdrop like this, what more could you want? So we've been staying at the Hoos Hotel here in Gstaad, and this morning we've come out to the lobby, which is pretty funky with all the different decor, and we're gonna do a little one-shot take with the FPV this morning. We got Luke who's gonna yeet it around. Gonna do a fun little one take, starting outside, flying through the lobby, zooming around here, and then out again. This week's sponsor is AG1. I've been using this little powder for the past couple weeks now. I kind of wish they'd sent it to me a bit earlier, because you might notice in other scenes of this vlog my voice sounds a bit different, and I got really sick for like 5 days. So I kind of wish I'd had this earlier, because I know it would have really helped support my immune system, and just, you know, going from the middle of summer in Cape Town, South Africa, you know, 30+ degrees Celsius to pretty much -5+ degrees in Europe. That temperature change is pretty gnarly. So just having something to support my immune system has been epic. Yeah, I just kind of wish I'd gotten a bit earlier, but so I've kind of been chugging one of these every morning. Definitely felt a difference in my sort of general recovery from being on the mountain all day. The real truth of today is it's very hard to get all the vitamins and minerals that you need from your food. So taking something like a supplement goes a long way. Personally, for me, I found it just really helps when traveling, just supporting my immune system. If you guys want to check out more, I'll have it all linked below. I'm gonna smash this out now and get up on the mountain, because it's starting to clear up on the mountain. So we're gonna go up there, head up the terrain park, and stack clips.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is who's gonna do the follow cams and the big jumps.
Oh yeah.
I think I'm still rolling up here, right?
Yeah.
Young man, catch your time like young man. People can leave with like stunt man, with a bad brown chick with a suntan. Yeah, rush, I'm taking my time, never prepare for it, then wait for the sign. I'm a young man, moving like a veteran. Freshman, play the game like an upperclassman. When I let him in, but I better than expected. Took it further than they ever projected.
Wrapped up a sick day of shooting with the boys.
That was unbelievable, unexpected.
Unexpected, very productive. Got super lucky with the clouds, all things considered. We all woke up this morning thinking it was going to be a terrible day.
That was good.
What a fun time. On to the next. You made it out to the French Alps. Hey! You! Hey! Bunch of us got a very nice little invitation from Club Med to come check out and ski the Tignes and Val-d'Isère area. Put on snowshoes for the first time ever. We're up on a glacier and we're gonna do a little glacier hike. Not every day we get to be on a glacier.
Yeah!
What are we about to do? What are you about to do?
A class shot.
Something for the OnlyFans. Oh, it's amazing.
A few minutes later.